Today's lecture is Asynchronous Data Transfer Techniques. In this scheme, used when speed of input-output device do not match with microprocessor and timing characteristics of input-output device is not predictable. In this method, processes are initiate the device and check its status. As a result, CPU has to wait till input-output device is ready to transfer data. When device is ready, CPU issue instructions for input-output transfer. In this method, two types of techniques are used based on signal before data transfer. First one is stroke control and second is handshaking. Stroke control method used of asynchronous data transfer employ a single line control to time each transfer. The stroke may be activated by either the source or destination unit. Data transfer. First step is data transfer initiated by source unit. First diagram of source initiate stroke for data transfer is source data bus carry the binary information from source to destination unit. The bus has multiple lines to transfer an entire byte or word. The stroke is single line that informs the destination unit when a valid data word is available. And timing diagram, the source unit first places the data on the data. The information on the data bus and store signal remains in the active state to allow the destination unit to receive the data. Inside of destination unit data transfer, in this techniques, the destination unit activate the stroke plus to inform the source to provide the data. The source will respond by placing the requested binary information on the data bus. The data bus be valid and remains in the bus long enough for the destination unit to accept it. When accepted, the destination unit then disable the stroke and source unit remove the data from the bus. The diagram is source destination stroke for data transfer. Disadvantage of stroke control stroke signal is that the source unit initiates the transfer has no way of knowing whether the destination until has actually received the data item that has placed in the bus. Similar, a destination unit has initiated the transfer has no way of knowing whether the source unit has actually placed the data on bus. So this problem is solved by handshaking methods problem. So now we have to what is the principle of handshaking of two-wire handshaking methods of data transfer as follows. One control line in same direction has data flow in the bus from source to destinations. It is used by source unit to inform the destination unit whether there is valid data in the bus. The other control line is other direction from destination to source. Its sequence of control during the transfer depend on the unit they initiate the transfer. Source initiate transfer using head checking. The sequence of event shows four possible states the system can be any given time. The source unit initiates the transfer by placing the data on the bus and enable it data valid signal. The data accepted signal is activated by destination unit after it accepts the data from the bus. The source unit then disables data accepted signal and system goes into initial states. Block diagram of head checking is here. Data bus and data valid are unidirectional and data are accepted by both direction by source unit or destination unit. Before data transfer, first of all, source unit is placed on the bus and enable the data valid request to destination unit. Then destination unit is accepting the data request for transferring the data. After destination unit is accepted enable the data, then source unit is disable the request and connection is are established, and then data transfer source unit to destination unit and destination unit to source unit. After data is transferred, the source unit are sent to destination unit to disable the data and invalid data on the bus, and these requests are accepted by destination unit.